While you're making a contribution to the Create Your Own Adventure story, you may find that your pull request can't be merged because of merge conflicts. Here's how that could happen and how you could fix it. Suppose you fork the original repository on GitHub, clone your fork, then make a change in a new branch, and push that change to your fork. In the meantime, someone else changes the original repository on GitHub. If there are merge conflicts between their change and your change, then your pull request will not be able to be automatically merged. Since there's no way to resolve merge conflicts on the GitHub site, you'll need to resolve the conflicts within the clone on your computer. To do that, you'll need to get the conflicting changes from the original repository into your local repository, which you can do by adding a remote. Recall that you already have a remote set up called Origin that points to your fork, but you'll still need to add a remote that points to the original repository. And many people name this remote Upstream. Adding and fetching the Upstream remote will add branches like upstream/master into your local repository, so that you can merge the Upstream branch with your local branch. For example, I created a pull request to add an option of stop, drop, and roll to a page of the story where there was a fire. In the meantime, though, another change was made to the same file to add an option to turn on the chocolate sprinkler. That change conflicts with mine, so I need to resolve the conflicts before my pull request can be merged. So in this diagram, this is the commit adding the chocolate sprinkler, and also this one. And my change was to add a stop, drop, and roll option. These commits were the same in all the versions. Since I created my change in a separate branch, I want to make my master branch the same as the master in the original repository. So I'll run git pull upstream master to update my master branch to the latest commit from the original repository. Then I'll merge the master branch into my changed branch, and I'll push both the change branch and the master branch to my fork. I didn't need to push the master branch, but I thought it might be nice. Now, since this whole process only contains commands that you've already learned, I want you to try doing this on your own before I demonstrate how to do it on the command line. As a reminder, the steps you'll need to carry out are: first, add the original repository as a remote in your clone. Next, pull the master branch from the original repository into your clone's master. Merge the master branch into your change branch locally, and resolve any merge conflicts. And finally, push your change branch to your fork, which will automatically update your pull request. If you run into trouble, I'll demonstrate how to carry out this process in the solution. If you didn't run into this problem because your pull request was merged without conflicts, I encourage you to get some practice by making a new change and then not making a pull request for it. Then you can wait for someone else to make a change and then get some practice bringing your fork up to date. Even if there are no merge conflicts, you can still get practice merging. Once you've finished this process, check this box.